Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn featured section with portfolio links step by step clearly. To restore your LinkedIn featured section with portfolio links, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you are on your LinkedIn homepage, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Me icon in the top right corner. Scroll down your profile until you reach the featured section. If you don't see the featured section, you may need to add it. To add the featured section, click the Add Profile section button near the top of your profile. From the drop-down menu, select Recommended and then click on Add Featured. Once the featured section appears, you can add items to it. To add a new portfolio link, click the plus sign icon. Choose links from the options provided. Paste the URL of your portfolio or project into the link field. After adding the link, click Add. LinkedIn will automatically generate a preview for your link. You can customize the title and description of your link to make it more engaging. Once you are satisfied with the information, click Save. Repeat the process to add more links or portfolio items as needed. Make sure to arrange your featured items in the order you want them to appear. To rearrange items, simply click and drag them into your desired position. Finally, review your featured section to ensure everything appears as you intended. You have now successfully restored your LinkedIn featured section with your portfolio links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.